Hey folks, it's Shawn. Today I want to talk about apparent authority. This is an issue or a phrase that maybe a lot of non-lawyers haven't seen. But the idea is pretty simple. Basically, if you have a business partnership, a business, corporation, LLC, any type of legal entity, and you have people working for you in certain positions, at some point they may have apparent authority. And this apparent authority is going to be tied into their job, role, and position. If you have a delivery truck driver, they may not have the apparent authority to enter into a contract for a new building, but they might have the apparent authority to buy supplies for the truck. Whereas the CEO may have apparent authority to do a lot more things. This becomes important when you're anointing these third parties to help you, creating what we call agencies under the law. And while partnership and agency law varies by state and there's different requirements, in general, you create an agency by having somebody working on your behalf. And sometimes that's tied to employment, could be tied to an independent contractor, could just be somebody who's an agent for a specific transaction, like a real estate agent. They in fact use that title agent, and they're an agent to sell or buy that piece of real estate. So all of these agents carry with them certain apparent authority. You as a business owner got to think about this, because these agents with apparent authorities could actually bind you / your business to transactions. So you've got to be careful about who you create as agents, how you communicate with third parties about your agents, how you describe these people, what authority might come with their positions. You got to be very careful about explaining their job titles and roles and scope of authority to third parties. And then you also have to think about, what if these agents are not careful? What if they enter into contracts or agreements you didn't authorize? So it's not something everybody thinks about, but it's something that if you want to kick your business up to the next level, it's a great conversation to have with your business lawyer. And hopefully you're having these types of conversations. Give them a call. Say, how's it going? And, what can we do to control the scope of our employees' employment, make sure things are protected? These are the types of issues you want to be talking about with your attorney. Build that friendship, build that relationship. Find somebody who's really going to look out for you. If you have general questions that you don't mind the public seeing, go ahead and comment below. But remember, these comments are not confidential, so don't put anything confidential in there. If you have confidential issues to discuss, consult with your attorney. Otherwise, we love to have the discussion in the comments, and it may lead to future videos. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we'll bring you more tips here in the near future. Thanks for tuning in today, folks.